Find natural numbers x and y such that 3x plus y all over 35 is equal to 5 all over x plus y. Question we no ye de mawa ewo quiz and exams a uhia 3 steps per. Menchira wo tricks we no ubetim the less than 10 seconds as solve question we. Yanko he solution no. Step 1 obey cross multiply. Ubenya 3x plus y or multiplying x plus y equal to 35 times 5. We do step where and how we shall be expanded and how we shall be 35 times 5 akonya one value there be. Step 2 a comparison. 3x plus y s to chain x plus y. 35 s to chain 5. Inti numbers here eso no ye de bema variable eso. Into benya 3x plus y is equal to 35. Equation 1. X plus y is equal to 5. Equation 2. Step 3, a elimination. When we say y a positive, our equation 1, s a positive, our equation 2. In this episode, y free equations no more. You best subtract ketwa no efficacy. Nti be 3x minus x. Ebe ma we say 2x. Y minus y. Ebitwam ebe ma 0. 35 minus 5 ebe ma we say 30. Into benya 2x is equal to 30. No, if we say x no kwa gina ho, we divide afana menu na by 2. 2 ebetwa 2 mu. Ubenya x is equal to 30 over 2. 2 equal 30 mu 15 times. Into benya x is equal to 15. Yemfa x and share equation 2 mu na yehwe se benya y a. Equation 2 x plus y equal to 5. X 15 plus y equal to 5. Y is therefore equal to 5 minus 15. Y is equal to minus 10. But shadibi, you say find natural numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up. Positive whole numbers. Until we question we now negative any natural number. Unya 0 any natural number. Unya answer be na answer na fraction any natural number. Until the upper train say x is equal to 15 no a valid answer. Y is equal to negative 10 and a valid answer. I didn't hear because negative 10 any natural number. So who trick good. Enti the top abom ni say unya question be say 3 steps per a bit ma cross multiply, comparison and elimination as a simultaneous equation. So what's say be every video you more but more than say obe subscribe it, obe like it, obe share my own bia or culture exams and now all national science and math quiz. Ebe bona na save time and ebe bona na BT school bi or NSMQ. Aha, KokoChem education YouTube channel. My video be brave. I may teach your tricks a bit my bow. I be man why ha ewo math exams and now say national science and math quiz. They be asema me ta kan say practice makes permanent. Enti e mama so mu koso na practice na nya mugidie se wonso obetimi aye. Yesa be share edafoforo. Think, learn,